So this is a voice activated Robo, and you will have a Raspberry Pi 3, and you have to connect the speakers, and the speakers connect the USB to the external power supply. Don't connect it to the USB slot, and thereafter you have to connect the USB camera and the USB microphone. This is the USB microphone and this is the USB camera. And you use our project 123 for hotspot connections and VNC viewer to shade the connections to into your laptop and to get the IP address of the Raspberry Pi. So after getting the Raspberry Pi address, and on the desktop you will find a icon called voice TX, voice control system. So you have to double click on it to start the application. So here you will have L293D driver, switch button in order to activate the microphone to give the commands, external power supply, just two IR sensors to show if any obstacle is there, the voice output and buzzer will give. So whenever we give this particular IR sensors, this will activate. And you will have a push button, so if whenever you push this push button, the buzzer will ring and the mic records for every 5 seconds. And we require internet connectivity in order to decode the voice to the text, because local voice recognition won't work that much perfectly. So you can show in the VNC viewer type, we will connect the internet, and after connecting the internet, then we will run the application. So our application, whenever you run the application, double clicking on the icon, the application starts and it keeps on scanning for the switch input. So whenever I give the switch input, like commands forward, not received correctly, there was a call. I'm pressing the button, so whenever I press the button, you can see the recording buzzer. After a buzzer, recording starts. Forward, if I keep any obstacle in between,
detected at right side.
so whenever this right side, left side IRs, we have kept like that. Again, I'm moving the board forward, backward, stop, so for every command we are giving the voice output and as well as giving the buzzer also. Right, left, left, so due to this noise of motors, it is not detecting perfectly. Left, so in this way it keeps on working. If I keep hand,
Detected at left side.
so left side, right side, we give the voice and stop the bot. So this is the application functionality. And whenever you get the IP address, you go to the browser, and in the browser you type your IP address like this. What is the IP address I got is 192.168.105, and only this part changes. After this part, whatever you have colon 8080 stream underscore simple dot html, everything will be same. In order to see the browser output, camera output, and the IP address, only you enter the IP address what you got. After that, colon 8080 stream underscore simple dot html will be same to see the video.